One token, multiple earning streams, global access. Meet BlockDAG, the pre-sale that's actually delivering before its launch. Everything shared on this video is only for educational purposes. BlockDAG is on stage 21 of its pre-sale, and you can get it at 0.0016 US dollars. You have multiple ways to generate revenue through the BlockDAG network. You can mine, stake, refer, or just hold BDAQ and generate a passive income. The early investors on the pre-sale, they already made a 10x growth on their investment, which proves demand and it's real. This groundbreaking crypto pre-sale of 2025 already raised 354 million US dollars. And they've completed 3 steps of auditing and security: internal audit, external audit from Halborn, and the second external audit from Certic. The pre-sale dashboard shows real-time buyer activity and token availability. Now, how can you buy BDAQ Coin? You have the options with Ethereum, USDT, BNB, or even Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. They have one of the most strong communities online, and their X is booming with over 100,000 followers online. You can find their X link down in the description so you can give them a follow. Their roadmap includes NFTs, decentralized finance, and cross-chain integrations. You can go to the website down in the description and read through all of their white paper. The use case of this project is amazing. They have EVM bridge in the project, and they also give the ability to build upon the blockchain with drag and drop. It requires low code development. It processes thousands of transactions per second, outpacing traditional blockchains, like Bitcoin. It is decentralized and secured. In addition to that, it has an innovative fee structure that makes it more competitive with Ethereum that has higher fees. They are Inter's official partners, and they are right now on the pre-sale of 45 stages. And when it's launched and the 45 stages of the pre-sale are done, then it will launch at 0.05 US dollars. So that means if you get on the pre-sale, you have immediate growth on your investment. They already have confirmations to be listed in top exchanges like Mexc, LBank, Coinstore, and Bitmart. And they've also been featured in Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, Yahoo, International Business Times, and Daily Coin. Join the fastest growing community in blockchain technology today by getting into their pre-sale. Just click the link down in the description and get today. So to sum up, with BlockDAG, you have 4 ways you can generate income: either mine it, or stake, refer, or just hold BDAQ token that will generate you multiple revenue models. The pre-sale investors, they already had a 10x of their investment, and you can see real-time buyer activity and token availability. The roadmap includes NFTs and DeFi and a cross-chain integrations. Click the link down in the description and get BDAQ today. Thank you so much that you were on the video. Don't forget to click the like button and follow our channel for our new videos that will help you in your cryptocurrencies journey. And if you have any questions that I may not cover, comment them below and we will answer them for you. That's all for now. Thank you so much.